Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create a door by using panel. Right? So first you can go on the customize function. I'm going to use system cabinet function. Okay, and then under system cabinet I go on component class, and then we can click on panel type. Under panel type you can take out the super panel. Okay, once you take out the super panel, I need to rotate facing to the wall, so I can press X to adjust the rotation of our panel. Okay, so to bring it up, just press Z, and then you bring up and move it near to the wall. Okay, so this one I'm going to set for the width as for 1000, and then for the front, for the depth on the front, I'm going to set for another 1000, or maybe 1500. Okay, with distance to the floor of 0. Okay, so this one you can customize on your own lah. Okay. Okay, so this one, once I've set the sizing, you can copy and paste to have two panels on the front, on the top. Okay, copy it on top, so you can see here when you are moving your camera to the side, you have two panels. Oh, actually, okay, wait, I need to adjust the distance to the wall. As for 0 first. Okay, this one copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to the downward, and then plus. So you can see here we have two different panels. Right. So how to adjust the door sizing? Okay, I want to click on it, and then you press B, right click, edit panel shape. Okay, so in order to make the hole out of in the center, so you can use draw function, or you can just directly use the rectangular. So let's say I'm using draw. Okay, I stretch. Okay, this one I have no precise number, so I randomly draw the hole. Okay, you can see here we have the hole. So this one, if you have any precise number, then that's good. But for me, I just show you how to create the hole lah. Okay, so when you click save on it, you click save, and then you click on return. So you will have your door this way. So to change texture, you can click on it and change your texture. So let's say I go for metal, and then maybe we go for brushed stainless steel, this way. And then in the center here, if let's say you want to make a glass, that texture as for glass, you can click on it and change the texture. So glass is under metal, glass, and then we have clear glass, so you will have the door. So in this case, if you want to put your own handle, you can use in the cloud library, go out from the customize function, and then you can search for door handle. Okay, so maybe let's say we go for something like this way. Just drag and drop to your door. Okay, if you want to rotate, just press X and rotate. Okay, so there you have your door with customized function. Alright. Okay, so this one, okay, so you will have something like this door. Okay, so you're able to change the size of the dial for your door, and you're able to change the texture for the frame and also in the center. So that is how you customize your own door. That's all from me. Thank you.